Yeah, I have a question. Well, one two-part question.
Sure.
I hurt my back on the job, and the company doctor said I have to have surgery on L4 and L5 and thing on my back to correct it. Workman's Comp is not wanting to pay for the surgery, and the company has fired me for it, and Workman's Comp has told me why they're not wanting to do it because I'm too close to retirement. They just want me to go ahead and retire.
Okay.
Can they do that legally?
All right, so let's break this down. Kirby, you want to start on it somewhere?
Yeah, John, let's start with your injury claim. If your doctor relates your injury claim to your on-the-job event, then that is a compensable injury under workers' comp, and the comp carrier should not be denying that claim. You may have to get a lawyer to deal with that for you. It's not unusual for comp carriers to initially deny claims such as yours, but if your surgeon is relating it, then you need to go forward with that. As for forcing you into retirement as a result of a workers' compensation claim, that shouldn't be happening. If you are able to have your back fixed and you want to return to work, then you should be allowed to do that. Alabama law prohibits employers from taking adverse action against you for workers' compensation injuries, and I hope that's not happening in your case because that is against the law.
Well, it really sounds like he probably needs to go ahead and make a move and seek an attorney to help him because he's got a lot of moving parts to his situation.
If the comp carrier is already saying no, then it is time to do that.
And he's been fired, so he's losing money, so.
Yeah, and I would just say to anybody out there that's listening, that's paying attention tonight, if an insurance company or somebody like that does deny your claim, don't give up. Don't just assume that they say, well, it's because of this, because of that, and take their word for it. Always run it by an attorney and someone who practices in that, especially because I won't say 9 times out of 10, but a lot of occasions we see people who give up and don't go take that next step when they actually do have a claim. So
that's great.
Please do that.
And same advice, don't give up. If you're calling right now and you can't get through, keep calling us. We'll try our best to get you on. Kidding aside, we're going to take a short break. We'll be right back with more of your questions.